with jam to spread. C brought cupcakes, sweet and small. D brought donuts to share with all. E brought eggs, all nicely boiled. F brought fries that sizzled and oiled. G brought grapes in a giant bunch. H brought honey to drizzle at lunch. Come to the picnic, everyone bring a treat. The alphabet's tasty and super sweet. From A to Z, there's food to share. A feast of letters everywhere. I brought ice cream, cold and neat. J brought jelly, wobbly and sweet. K brought kettle corn, crunchy and light. L brought lemonade, icy and bright. M brought muffins, blueberry and warm. N brought nuts from a forest farm. O brought oranges, juicy and round. P brought pretzels, twisty and brown. Come to the picnic, everyone bring a treat. The alphabet's tasty and super sweet. From A to Z, there's food to share. A feast of letters everywhere. Q brought quiche with cheesy filling. R brought raspberries, tart and thrilling. S brought sandwiches cut just right. T brought tea in cups so light. U brought upside down cake surprise. V brought veggies, a rainbow prize. W watermelon slices wide. X brought uxigua, that's watermelon too. From the other side. Y brought yogurt in a pretty dish. Z brought zucchini, a healthy wish. Now we've eaten from A to Z, what a picnic, come and see. The alphabet picnic was such a blast. We laughed and munched from first to last. Sing it again and don't delay. Let's have another picnic day. Want a melody or a printable version? Or maybe a version that includes actions or character voices?